Hello YouTube, today I'm gonna retrofit the BMW E38 Flashlight. I'm gonna try to modify it to have one of these external cigarette lighter with the USB charging ports connected to it, so I can use these inside the glove box instead of a cigarette lighter in the middle of the car, which is not convenient at all. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing it, and hopefully it's going to work. So here is the flashlight. I have taken it apart. There is two pieces. One side is this one, which is the one with the logo. The other side is the one that holds the battery pack to the flashlight. The battery pack here is bad, and I think it needs to be changed. What I have done is I have made a hole right here next to just beneath the battery pack. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there between this edge and the battery pack. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run the two wires, the black and white wires, through the back of this hole. Run it through like this, and then I'm gonna solder these ends to the top of this thing that is connected to the battery and that charges the battery, and this thing is connected to the car somewhere to get power from. So I'm gonna solder these on the top of here. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this. It's hard to do it on camera. I'm gonna explain to you. So which one was it? The black and red wire goes on this port. There is two of them. It's this port right here, with not this one right here, the one that is closer to the end, and the red one, the solid red one, goes right here next to this black what do you call that, resistor or something like that. So I'm gonna do this, and hopefully you can see it on camera, and we're gonna try it, see if it works. Okay, all right. Okay, can you so if you have somebody to hold can you hold it? Come closer so you have like more leverage. This is not leverage. Come closer. The black one was here. I'm gonna put a little bit, put it closer to that, like that. Put a little bit solder on the wire so it's. Okay, then the other one. Okay, can bring it this way then. Okay. Black and white was the other side, right? put some. Can I come this way a little bit and down? Come it down a little bit. Can I put a little bit solder here? Okay. Can I attach the black and white one to this? Gonna put some extra solder at the top. Then we're gonna do the other side. Try to go from the side so it doesn't. So when you're done soldering, it comes out like this. We're gonna just run the cable back through the hole so this thing can sit properly. Okay. Even though the battery has gone bad and it needs replacing, I'm not gonna discard it or throw it away like that. I'm gonna leave everything intact. Put the cover back on. Clap it in place. Now we have a modified flashlight converted to a charging port for USB and the cigarette lighter. I'm gonna go in the car. Can you just turn it off for a second? Okay, wait, leave that on this. Can you turn it, open the door? Now we're inside the car. Let's cross fingers. No, don't turn it on yet. Let's cross fingers to see if it's gonna work. If it doesn't, we're gonna hear a loud pop. It's right there. I think maybe not. Connected. Let's start the car, see if it works. I'm afraid it's gonna pop. Oh, it's working. That's awesome. Let's see if this charges. That's the dash cam. We can connect it. We're connecting the dash cam to the cigarette lighter port, and it comes on. awesome. Now you don't have to have any charging thing right here. So it's working. It's very easy. That thing is this unit costs about $5-6. If you buy it from AliExpress, it's like $2-3. From Amazon, it's $7-8. On eBay, it's $5-6. This is gonna be great. So I'm gonna try to attach it somewhere to be hidden from just sit in the dashboard. That part you can figure out yourself. The hard part was to solder it and put it together. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share this video. Thank you.